Hey guys, welcome to Market Mondays. I hope you guys had a great 3-day weekend. We didn't do a video yesterday, but I am doing a video today to kind of make up for that. Markets were closed yesterday, but we're going to talk about how even though inflation report went up a little bit higher, it actually helped mortgage rates, which is the opposite of what you want. But really, it actually helped. It helped counteract the jobs report that came out earlier in the month. So before we get right into it, I'm going to do a quick dad joke for you guys. Dad joke today is, what's the sound of James Bond's doorbell? What sound does the doorbell make for James Bond for his house? Dong, ding dong. Get it? Pew pew. All right, so getting right into it. Last week, the two inflation reports came out, and they actually caused inflation to go up a little bit, and on some reports, it actually went down a little bit. But you would think, and we've been talking about how the inflation report has a huge weighting against mortgage rates as well as the jobs report, because it came actually lower than expected. Even though it went up, it came in lower than expected, and in some parts of it actually became lower than before. It actually helped mortgage rates come down, and help counteract what happened with the higher and strong jobs report that we got in the beginning of the month. So if you're going to share what it looks like today, one of the great things is that yes, it helps essentially counteract what happens. So if we're taking a look at what's happened over here, this is the height of what we saw mortgage rates. Now it's kind of coming down a little bit, back down below the 7 range, which is what we want. Overall, I think the overall trend is what we're seeing is better than what we've been experiencing, just because of the mortgage rates slowly come down. So it's still in range, still in the band, coming down, but it's gonna, like I said, it's gonna be very volatile. The other thing to note is that now that the holiday season's over, and I think and there's a lot of forecasts on this that March and February might actually start seeing the labor market's weakening quite a bit, because now the holiday's over, people are done with holiday travel, and those are done with holiday travel and are unemployed might actually start filing for unemployment. So if we see a much weaker jobs data, we might start seeing these mortgage rates start coming down quite a bit. So even if you guys kind of plot, if we get down to the next low, if we kind of get low 6, high 5s, if that's the next valley, next peak down from this peak high. So if we see that, maybe we start seeing somewhere around here, that's a really good sign that mortgage rates are going to be in a lot better situation. That's 1% change. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks, we see February and March with the jobs report coming in a lot better. So if we see that, I mean, that's going to be super great. Mortgage rates are going to be doing a lot of good things. That means a lot more affordability. Clients could be much happier with those rates being a lot lower. But also, I've already posted the 2025 forecast into the Nukes Notes group. I also sent it out as an email to a lot of people. So if you didn't get that, check your spam. I really just labeled it as 2025 forecast. It's also on my website as a blog post that goes into a lot of detail. Essentially, it goes into how mortgage rates are going to behave throughout the year, appreciation over the next 10 years, how many buyers are going to enter the market, so on and so forth. And even talking about the Fed and what they plan on doing with the Fed rate. So that helps out a lot. It gives a lot of people, I think, even for myself, a lot of hope that this year will be significantly better than last year, even though last year was also significantly better than the year before. So I hope it continues to trend that direction, for my sake at least. Otherwise, that's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully it was helpful information. A lot of things to hope for in the horizon. So keep at it, guys. Don't lose hope. I think we're getting there. Otherwise, that's all I got. Nuke out.